Samsung is accused of obstructing Fortnite downloads. That's right, Epic Games has filed a legal complaint against Samsung, alleging that the company complicates the download process for its popular game Fortnite on certain devices, making it excessively difficult with up to 21 steps required to install. Epic claims this results in a 50% abandonment rate among users attempting to download the game, attributing the issue to Samsung's default auto blocker feature designed to prevent unauthorized app installations. Samsung refutes these claims, asserting that users can disable the auto blocker and emphasizing its commitment to security and competition. The lawsuit follows Epic's ongoing legal battles with both Google and Apple over App Store practices and aims to create a more equitable environment for third-party developers. We all know what happened with Fortnite and the Apple's App Store. Is something similar happening here? Are they just a little bit jealous that maybe they're not making the full amount of money that they want? Because they can't charge the extra money, they're starting to block them? Seems like a security issue, but really, is it maybe a political or an issue tied to money? And that's the real reason why they won't allow it. Let me know your thoughts about that, everyone.